Hey there, curious about Monzo and its transfer limits? Let's dive in. Hook. Have you ever wondered how much you can send or receive using Monzo? Is there a limit? And if so, what factors determine it? Building context. Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its simplicity and convenience. It offers a range of features, including the ability to send and receive money. But before you start transferring funds, it's essential to understand the limitations in place. Understanding Monzo transfer limits. Monzo's transfer limits are primarily determined by two factors: your account type and your recent transaction history. Account type. The type of Monzo account you have directly influences your transfer limits. Generally, premium accounts offer higher limits compared to basic accounts. For instance, Monzo Plus and Monzo Premium customers can typically send and receive larger amounts. Recent transaction history. Monzo monitors your recent transaction history to assess your financial activity. If you've been consistently making large transfers or receiving significant amounts, your limits may be adjusted accordingly. This is a security measure to prevent fraudulent activity. Factors affecting transfer limits. Aside from account type and transaction history, several other factors can influence your transfer limits. Transfer destination * the country or region you're sending money to can impact the limits. Some countries may have specific regulations or restrictions that affect international transfers. Transfer method * the method you use to transfer money, e.g., bank transfer, card payment, can also affect limits. Transfer frequency * frequent transfers, especially large ones, may trigger additional checks or temporarily lower limits. Common transfer scenarios. Let's explore some common transfer scenarios and their potential limits. Domestic transfers * sending money within the UK typically has higher limits, especially for Monzo Plus and Premium customers. International transfers * transfers to other countries may have lower limits due to exchange rate fluctuations and international regulations. Business transfers * if you're using Monzo for business purposes, your limits may be different compared to personal accounts. Additional considerations. While Monzo provides general information about transfer limits, it's always advisable to check your specific account details or contact their customer support for the most accurate information. This will ensure you avoid any unexpected restrictions or delays. Tips for maximizing transfer limits. Here are some tips to help you maximize your Monzo transfer limits. Verify your identity * ensure your account is fully verified to unlock higher limits. Avoid suspicious activity * refrain from engaging in activities that could be flagged as suspicious, such as frequent transfers to unfamiliar accounts. Contact customer support * if you have concerns about your transfer limits, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo's customer support for assistance. Conclusion. Understanding Monzo's transfer limits is crucial for effective money management. By considering factors such as account type, transaction history, and transfer destination, you can make informed decisions and avoid any unexpected restrictions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.